So, number 1, ngayon, tatalakayin natin kung ano ang mga trigonometric identities. So, for sine, i-derive natin siya as cosine u, du over dx. The cosine u is negative sine u, du over dx. And the tangent naman is secant squared u, du over dx. Cotangent naman is cosecant squared u, du over dx. The second is tan u, sec u, the derivative of u with respect to x, and the last is cosecant u is equal to negative cotangent u cosecant u du over dx. So for example, we have f of x is equal to 5 sin x minus 4 tan x. So based sa mga identities, i-derive natin siya. Natin siyang f of prime x. I-sign natin siya. Yung 5, ilalabas natin. And then we put d over dx. And yung sin x. Sin x. Same sa isang sa 4 and then d over dx tan x. So after dito, mag-base tayo sa identities niya. Yung sine is cosine, di ba? So magiging 5 cosine x. Sa 4 naman, yung tangent naman is secant squared. So, magiging 4 secant squared